Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make brittle caramel. To begin, gather your simple ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. Also, prepare your work surface by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Having everything ready before you start cooking is essential for a smooth process. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring to prevent crystallization and let it cook undisturbed until it reaches a beautiful deep amber color. The secret to brittle caramel lies in reaching the precise temperature. You'll need a candy thermometer for this crucial step. Continue cooking the caramel until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is what transforms the sugar into that wonderfully hard, brittle consistency we're aiming for. Remove it from the heat the moment it hits this mark. With the caramel cooked, it's time for the final steps. Carefully and quickly pour the extremely hot caramel onto your prepared baking sheet. Spread it thinly and evenly using an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to ensure a crisp, delicate texture. Let it cool completely and harden for at least 30 minutes before breaking it into delicious, irregular pieces. Enjoy your homemade brittle caramel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.